This is Jennifer Maria Paulin from the TEFL batch 29th June to 16th April 2022. Today, I would like to thank all our TEFL trainers who prepared me for the outside world. My gratitude to the TEFL Asian College of Teachers for all you have done. Thank you very much for the course and the valuable training. I feel much better prepared to deal with my career because I spent the most formative hours which introduced me to the global marketplace. I consider that 120 hours to be pivotal in my growth. I especially thank our trainer Anamika ma'am, a motivator and inspiration, an enthusiast. These three qualities are just a few of the many she showed every session with all the trainers, including me. Thank you ma'am. Thank you Asian College of Teachers. Have a great day.